So I am actually on my way to one of my friends' house and I am running late. If you guys know me, that's one thing that I am never, okay? I don't like being late. I don't like people to show up late, and I'm late. So I'm headed over to my friend's house and she wanted to smell the candle. I told her I'll bring her a candle to smell, but you can't have it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna bring the one that's empty, the one that's low, and I'll tell you, this is a little tester for you, girl. If you want to just test it out, here you go. But I ain't bringing my new one over there because she's gonna try to get me. I already know it. So I am on my way over there. Let me close this door. Make sure everything is off. Oh, I gotta grab this wine. I have like some little boxed wine that my mother-in-law had brought over for me to try, and it's actually pretty good. So she brought like 4 boxes of it. It's this one right here. It's called The Drop, and this is the white wine. And then they have, my glasses are so dirty, I gotta clean my glasses. And then this is the rosé, but it's really good, y'all, like really good. So I'm headed over there. I hope she cooked because I'm hungry.
But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe.
All right, y'all, so I made it to my friend's house and I decided I was gonna shop her candles because she has more than enough. It's her candle section. And I'm sure she got another stash somewhere because I could have sworn you had 2 of these bins.
Them 2 drawers, they full of candles.
Full of candles. Do y'all recognize this place?
You are so funny.
Okay, y'all, so we're getting ready to record a video and then we're going to get us some food. So Chelsea's getting all the stuff right now. And we're gonna try like some different wines. I think we have the Stella Rosa Peach. I showed y'all the canned wine that I brought. And then what's the other one, Chelsea? Some chocolate
The
wine?
chocolate shop, red wine with the hint of chocolate.
Yeah, let me show y'all how it looks. This is this one. This is a chocolate wine. Y'all let us know in the comments if you guys have tried this before. It's a red wine with rich natural chocolate flavor.
I am so excited.
Yeah, I'm excited about this. So yeah, let us go ahead and do this. We're doing a question and answer, like an advice video, but we're also doing wine tasting while we're doing it. She has a name for this whole little segment that she started on her channel. It should be out before y'all see this video, so y'all make sure that y'all check out I Am Chelsea Janae. I'll have her information in the description box. Yeah, so we're at our first stop. We was going to get some soul food. We wanted some oxtails. They sold out. So now we hungry. Chelsea, where we going?
I don't know. I'm hungry for real.
Me too, girl. I got a hunger headache and everything, y'all.
Hey.
Where we going? We need food.
Yeah, let's go and cook it.
Yeah, Chelsea looking for the candle. And they don't have them. We're at Marshall's. They don't have any. This is so
I mean, they got plenty of candles too.
right. Y'all, so we're at home. I've already told y'all that I was gonna get me a really tall tree.
I feel like a midget.
So cute.
Let me not say midget. I feel so short.
Look at this. Are y'all ready? Okay, y'all, so I'm back home. several hours later, and I want to show you guys my new package that I've been waiting on for weeks. Finally came in. And it is these really cute coasters. How cute are these, y'all? So cute. I love these. Just some really nice coasters. I found this account on Instagram, and I just thought that these were the cutest little drink coasters. Aren't these the cutest? So girly, so my vibe. This is her shop name and her Instagram name if you guys want to check her out and order you some. Super cute. Let me put a drink on it. Let's try this thing out. You just have your little drink on it, like, girl, what? So cute. I love it. If anybody is wondering, I got this glass from at home. But yeah, loving my new coasters. Super cute. Good morning, y'all. Happy Thursday. This is my second cup of tea. Tea Flow is whooping my behind this morning. But I have to I need to make a IKEA run and a TJ Maxx run this morning. I'm not showing myself because I look fool. But you guys remember the foot mask that I bought. Chelsea told me that she tried that before and her feet were peeling for a week. And I don't have that type of time. So I'm going to take that back. And then I have to run to IKEA. And then I'm coming home. And I'll probably clean my place. And that's it for today. So, making my tea. I might add a little bit of honey today. Well, I always get so many questions about this mug when I post it on Instagram. The inside of the glass is heart shaped. I ordered this cup from Amazon. Everybody just loves this cup. See the cute little heart? I always get so many questions. You guys go to my description box, click the link. It's in the Amazon store. Super cute. So I was gonna go to IKEA, but I can't go to IKEA today, y'all, because I need to lay down somewhere. So I don't really want to lay down, though. I want to get some stuff done today because I really want to deep clean my place. I usually do that on the weekend, but we got some stuff that we have to do this weekend. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx, take this foot mask back, look for the candle for Chelsea because we went to 2 different stores yesterday looking for the candle for her on her side of town. So I'm gonna go look for the candle over here for her. I'm gonna go just look around TJ Maxx because I'm going there anyway. And then next to the TJ Maxx it's a Homegoods, so I'll just stick my head in there and see if I can find it. And if I see it, I'll go ahead and grab it for her because she's my boo, period. And then what else? Oh, y'all, I really want to go to Trader Joe's because I want to get some more of that rice, that fried Japanese rice from Trader Joe's. Let me tell y'all something. If y'all don't listen to nothing else that I tell y'all, get y'all some of that rice. Look, okay, that's it. I'm not, listen, y'all know I'm not gonna tell y'all nothing wrong, right? If I don't mention it, it ain't shit. But if I do, listen to me, sis. I'm trying to tell y'all. So I cooked that the other night for my son. I had added some steak to it. It tastes like wasabi. Like, girl, I did my thing with that stuff. So this time, I'm gonna do some shrimp with it, and that's what he'll have for dinner, him and my husband. So we'll see once I get in the car. But I think I have to stop for gas. And if y'all know me, I don't like stopping for gas. Like, I don't. And because I had to ride out of town yesterday to go to Chelsea house, she live out of town, y'all. That's so far. So, oh, let me put some lip chap on because my lips is dry. Y'all don't judge me, okay? Y'all love me for me. That's all I'm asking y'all to do. Love. I know y'all like, girl, what is you talking about? Go to the daggone store. Okay, bye.